Welcome to Manor House, located in the heart of Buckhead. Close to the beltline with access along Bobby Jones Golf Course and Tanyard Creek. Shops and restaurants are just steps away. As you enter the home, you will appreciate the open floor plan. To the left is a coat closet and laundry room. This home has been freshly painted. To the right is the formal living room. This space also works well for an office or additional living space. The living room features a gas fireplace with remote. Note there is an outlet in the floor. Perfect for furniture placement. In the living room looking towards the kitchen, notice the covered balcony. The kitchen is open to the living room, featuring stained cabinetry, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances.